Hello, awesome human. Welcome once again to Why Duck. Today, we are moving into the snake world, where I will be explaining to you why those sleeky niggas has no legs. Well, you got me right. They ain't got legs. Before we dive into this legless mystery, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more brain-tickling stories like this one. We upload weird, wild, and wonderfully true stuff every week. Once upon a time, in a forest not too far from your backyard, the animals held a talent show. The birds sang, the monkeys did gymnastics, and the snakes, well, one snake slithered out, tried to moonwalk, and fell flat on his face. Why? Because he had no legs. But why does the snake have no legs? Did it forget them at home? Are they hiding under all those scales? Was it a fashion choice? Nope. The truth, while scientifically fascinating, is also a little hilarious when you think about it. Rewind the evolutionary clock about 150 million years and you'd find something quite shocking. A snake with legs. Yep, ancient snakes, like the fossil name Tetrapodophus, had 4 little limbs. They weren't exactly ready to run a marathon, but the legs were there. So what happened? Well, imagine being a snake in prehistoric times, living in burrows, or navigating through thick grass. Having legs was like dragging around 4 clumsy selfie sticks. Evolution looked at this awkwardness and said, nope, you're better off without those. Over millions of years, natural selection slowly phased out the limbs. Some snakes lost just the front ones, some the back ones, and eventually, poof, no legs. And guess what? They got faster. Turns out, if you're hunting or trying not to be hunted, slithering like a ninja rope has its perks. You know what's wild? Snakes still have the genes for making legs. It's like they have a closet full of pants they never wear. In fact, scientists found that pythons have tiny vestigial leg bones, like Mother Nature's version of a prank. It all comes down to a gene called Sonic Hedgehog. No, not the video game guy, but wouldn't that be awesome? This gene helps grow limbs in embryos. In snakes, this gene is there, but it's deactivated or cut short like a terrible soap opera. So snakes start to develop leg buds, but the process gets interrupted faster than your Wi-Fi during a storm. Legs might be cool for cheetahs, but for snakes, they're just unnecessary baggage. With their smooth, legless bodies, snakes can slip into tight spaces, climb trees, swim, burrow, and even glide. Yes, some flying snakes are out here living their best lives. So, while it might look like they're missing out, snakes are actually evolutionary geniuses. They're like, who needs legs when you've got moves like this? So there you have it. The tale of the snake's missing legs is less of a tragedy and more of a glow-up. Evolution decided to swap stilettos for stealth mode, and honestly, it worked out pretty well. Whether you find snakes fascinating or terrifying, you've got to admit, they know how to make leglessness look cool. Now it's your turn. Like this video if you learned something new, or just enjoyed imagining snakes moonwalking. Share it with your science-loving friends, and comment below. If you were a snake for a day, what's the first thing you'd do? And don't forget to subscribe, because this channel is crawling and slithering with stories you won't want to miss. Stay curious, stay legless, and see you in the next one.